I-insert ko lang tong clip dito sa Vlogmas Day 14 kasi bukas na yung paraffle natin and hanggang ngayon nagbabasa pa talaga ako and nagsusulat ng mga pangalan nyo. Okay, good luck to everyone.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck, everyone. And eto, mag-shoutout lang ako kasi magki-Christmas naman and pasensyahan nyo na dahil hindi ko pa lahat nababasa yung mga comments doon sa mga previous vlogs and hindi ko pa lahat na-heart kasi nga busy po talaga ako magbasa ng mga comments nyo doon sa paraffle ko sa Instagram, sa Facebook at saka dito sa YouTube. So, eto, i-shoutout ko muna to si Kian Castellano. Pasensya na kung hindi ko ma-pronounce na maayos yung pangalan nyo. So, yan, si Kian Castellano, Michelle De La Cruz, Jazz Cruz, Lenny Danculos, Flora Dilingencia, Charm Escalio, Escalio, I don't know if it's right, Camille Magtalas, Anne Molina, Jasmine, Tomblod, and eto, linagyan ko talaga siyang asterisk kasi birthday niya this coming December 18, si Christine Austria. Austria, say happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
So, yun na yung shoutout natin. I will try my best na mag-shoutout before ko i-insert yung vlog or vlogmas. Pero hindi ko may paprans kung pre-vlogmas or vlog may shoutout tayo. Depende po kung hindi na tayo busy. And si Holly, nasira niya yung aking yung aking dito sa tripod, ayan, naka-ano lang kayo dyan, hindi kayo stable. So, yeah, you broke it. Okay, say see ya. So, ayan. So, panoorin nyo na yung Vlogmas 14. Okay, say see ya. Thank you. Good morning. Ano na ngayon? December 3. Bukas birthday ni Jan, December 4. Okay naman, kuya. Nag-iram ako kay kuya na pera kasi today's Monday, lunch order. Wala akong cash. Come on, kuya. Si kuya, marami siyang cash, oh. Do I have to pay you?
Yes.
Kailangan ko naman siya bayaran.
I'll pay you back. No.
Ha?
I'll pay you back. If you
Oh, si Sak na magbabayad. Thank you.
get it on my wallet and put that. Oh yeah, then I'll get over you.
It's alright. Mama will pay. Kuya, No, that's for kuya. Kuya, lunch order. Okay, give it to kuya. Okay. So, do I have to drop you or are you gonna walk? Gusto niya na... No, you don't walk. Si kuya gusto niya na laging naglalakad papunta sa sub kasi malapit lang naman. So, hurry up. Pardon me? With kuya.
Mom, can you see my clock?
Where's your clock? Ginawa ni sa kagabi. Ito ang mga namin, mga frame dito sa bahay. Mga nila, mga artwork. Ayun pa. Ito kay Kuya TG to. No? Sa'yo to, Kuya? Yeah, matagal na to. Nung hindi pa si Kuya. Ano? Okay. See you na. Okay. Get your shoes, Kuya. And where we going, Sak?
Matt.
What?
Hey, Mom, get bounties. Get bounties. I was gonna buy that bounty.
Ha?
I was gonna buy that bounty for the burger.
Oh, si Kuya gusto yung regalo niya kay daddy niya. Yung chocolate na paborito ni Jan, yung Bounty, yung may coconut.
I'll buy toys for Dad.
What you gonna buy for your dad?
Dolph t-shirt.
Wow, so you're gonna bring your wallet. Oh, sinabi niya yan sa akin matagal na bibili siya ng golf shirt daw sa daddy niya. So, come on. Okay, see you, Kuya. Bye. Love you. Listen and learn and hoy, what you gonna do?
Look.
You have to look. Yeah, I did. I said. Oh, hoy, Kuya, si Holly, oh. Yung ginungusoan. Oh, Kuya, it's going now. Kanina kasi ginungusoan ka. Okay. Okay, go. Kiss na. Kuya. We're going to the mall. Okay, ayaw na. Come on, Kuya. Kuya, hurry up. Okay. Go, kiss na si Kuya. Kiss na, hurry up. Okay, see ya, Kuya. Bye. What do you want? Okay, kiss Kuya.
No, she wants to use the stick.
Okay, she don't want. Okay, Kuya, see ya. Bye. Bata to umiiyak kasi umalis na si Kuya TJ. Are you crying? What do you want? Gusto niya raw ng milk. Got ano? You miss Kuya? Ah, you wanna kiss Kuya TJ? Aww. Well, yeah, Kuya TJ want to kiss you and then you were crying.
No, because she was lying, so they wanted me to eat. I like it.
You're joking. Ewan ko sa'yo. Milk? Gawa ko mo siya ng milk. Dito, pag in a minute, nagawa raw siya ng relo kay daddy niya. Oh. Ito na yung milk ni Holly. Bago niya tumakuha sa akin, may pinapagawa muna ako sa kanya. So, parang, ano na yun sa kanya. Normal na yun sa kanyang gagawin niya yun. Tingnan niyo, ha? Okay. Ready? Go! Ang gagawin sa mama. Ang gagawin sa mama. Halik. Lalap. Lalap. Maraming halik. I love you. Anong sasabihin? Louder. What you gonna say? Louder. Sa. La. Sa. La. La. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, drink your milk now.
Mom, see?
So, yan. Ganyan ang ginagawa niya bago niya makuha yung milk. Right, Holly? Even kay Sak and TJ, pag si Sak at saka si TJ ang pinapagawa din nila yung ginagawa ko. So, tara, mag-ready na kasi punta kami sa town para magtingin ng pangregalo ni Jan. Wala naman kaming handa kasi si Jan, ayaw niya naman ng mga ganyan-ganyan, handa-handa. Siguro mag-spaghetti lang ako bukas. Simple lang na, yung parang normal lang na magdi-dinner kami, yun lang. Kasi busy naman yun. Ngayon wala pa siya, nasa Adelaide pa siya. Mamaya ang dating nun. So, yeah. Ano pa? So, yun lang. Tapos tingin-tingin. Tapos hindi ako makakabili ulit ng mga pangregalo sa mga bata. Kasi kasama ko si Sak. Wala siyang pasok kasi every Tuesday. And then, alternate na Wednesday, half day siya then. Tuesday, Thursday, full day ang school niya. Pag Wednesday, alternate yun na half day. So, yun. So, yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. Wow!
This is my watch.
Is that your watch? Tingnan yung Christmas tree namin. Wala pang oh.
This is Holly's watch.
Wala pang
Papa, this is your watch.
mga nakabalot na regalo. Mayroon nang nabili si Jenna para sa mga bata, pero hindi pa nababalot. Kasi gusto ko sabay-sabay ko na lang sila balutin. Kaya, ang lungkot-lungkot pa ng Christmas tree natin, oh. So, yun, mag-ready lang kami. Alis na tayo. Wala ako nito. Na up and go na liquid breakfast. Inom muna tayo bago alis. Banana flavor. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'll do it. Anna?
I get my milk. She didn't want to put a seatbelt on. I get my milk.
Put your seatbelt, Holly.
Mom, did I have this at
Holly.
Mom, where are we going?
We're gonna get
Time out?
No.
Toes?
Golf shop.
Huh?
Golf shop. We cannot go to Cold Storage kasi.
The golf shop? Yes.
Punta muna kami sa bakery sa Metro para kumuha ng cake. Ayan. Holly, don't run, Baba. here. Get in, Baba. On. Wala silang available na cake. So, ayan lang yung choices. Dalawa lang. So, this is cheesecake, right? Yeah, ito baked cheesecake daw. And this one is mad cake. Chocolate version. Yeah, I'll get this one. Ito, masasarap oh. That's a raspberry cake, I think, Baba. Ayan. Ang daming masasarap na cake. Cake na yan. Ayan siya. Ganyan yung tsura niya pag nahati na. Have money? Where's your money? Wow! Ayan yung pera ni Sam. Let me see your money. Wow! You got money. Okay, give me some. Thank you. $10. What's that? Oh, you're giving me more money. Sa Lima Boutique. Parang Lima Boutique ata ito. Nakalimutan ko. Nakita ko lang siya sa street. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng mga paninda nila. Ayun si Holly, oh. Holly, tingnan nyo. Ang gaganda, oh. Ito, ang cute. Let me see. It's a unicorn. Ang cute, oh. Kano siya? $49.95. So, parang $50 na siya. Ang ganda. Ang cute. Ayan, ang cute. First time kong pumunta dito sa shop na to. Alim Rose. Ayan, oh. Tapos, ang bango-bango ng store nila. Yun naman, may napili na naman siya. Uy. Put it back here. Ang cute. Ito pa, oh. Ang cute. Diba, ang daming mga ganda. Mga pang baby. $69.95. So, parang $70 na siya. Ang cute ng backpack nila, oh. Come on, Holly. May hawak-hawak na si Holly, oh. Bunny. Let me see. Let's try this one.
What is this?
Gusto niya. Ang cute. Tamang-tama siya size mo, Holly.
What is this?
Oh, this is pretty, Papa.
What is this?
I'm not sure. Sharpener. For your pencil.
What's this?
Oh, ayan, oh. Wow. And this. How much is that? Careful.
This is an egg.
Ano siya? $39.95. So, parang $40. You're done?
Yeah.
Okay, you're done. Done na daw siya. Yeah, that's for, bubble bath. Ang cute. Bilhin natin to, Holly. Ha? Ano ko, ilalagay natin to sa Christmas tree. Babalutin ko to para, niya, pang Christmas ko rin sa kanya. Hoy, come here. Come here. Hoy. Halika dito. Ayan, may No, don't. Come here.
Mom, this
Come here.
purple. Ay, down.
Ang cute ng backpack. Akin na. Tap for mommy. You don't bounce, Baba. You don't bounce. Put it back.
Mom, this
Put it
is
back.
for the above. Mom,
Are you done?
Mom, this is for
Okay, are you done? Ang dami pa nilang mga gandang stuff dito.
it's mine. It's the first. Mommy.
Huh? That's not yours. That's Kuya Sa.
I'm back.
Ayan, nagsha-shopping na siya.
It's this. Go.
No?
Mom. Now what am I? And a bookie.
Where?
And a
No, not in my pocket.
where's your mine? Where's your mine? Where's your mine?
Oo. It's over there.
What?
There.
Wait! Mine!
Yeah, that's yours. Nagagalit na siya. This is not a toy, Baba. This is a projector egg. Ah, yeah.
It is a toy to that.
Wee. Hanap siya.
What is mine?
Nahanap niya yung wallet. Kinuha ko na kasi.
What?
Come on.
Where's what?
Look at your hair, Baba.
Where's my boat? My boy.
Your what?
My boy.
Your wallet?
Yes.
I don't know. Hinahanap niya yung wallet niya. Tinago ko na. Kay Sak yun eh. Galit na ikaw. Come on, we're gonna get that one for you. Come on. Yeah, that's yours now. Come on. Yes, that's a yo-yo.
I never tried yo-yos. I want to get yo-yos. Where's the yo-yos?
I don't know. Yung bumili ng yo-yo.
Can I get one for Kuya TJ?
You want for Kuya TJ? Are you gonna pay for him? Kunan niya rin daw si Kuya TJ. Ganyan yan si Sak. Diba? Alam nyo naman yan. Lagi niyang, pag may kinukuha siya para sa sarili niya, make sure si Kuya meron din. So, kay Kuya to? Na? Kay Kuya to? Okay. Wait, no, this is not yours, Baba. Wait. Put it back.
No, this one's yours.
Okay. Okay, hold this one. Good girl. Ayan, mayroon silang mga fresh flowers. Ayan. Kaya pala ang bango kasi ang dami nila ditong ganyan. Ayan. Ang babango. Okay. Kuya, sa?
Your pocket money.
Yeah. Go pay now.
Very good.
Siya magbabayad. Go.
Are we paying both of your
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. $20, Baba.
For your sister.
Okay, get 20.
What have we got? We've got 19
Okay. Yes, that's the 20. Oh.
Thank you.
Ikaw wala, you don't,
Keep that one.
you can keep that one, Baba.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, Kuya, thank you. Ang yo-yo niya.
We'll take you
Yeah, the little pink one,
The little
please.
pink one?
Yes,
This one?
yes, thank you. Hoy. What you gonna say?
Oh, she's never not here.
What
Watch out
you-
for money.
Okay, we have to pay now. What you gonna say?
Anna, that one.
Thank you. Ito tayo dyan para kay Jan. Hanap tayo ng pang regalo niya sa birthday niya bukas. Sarado siya. Dito na lang tayo maghanap ng pang regalo. Come here. It's alright. You like dog. It's alright. Yeah, look. She's so cute. Is she or he? A boy. Sorry. It's so cute. Charlie. Oh.
I get so excited when
It's alright. It's alright. Natakot siya, oh. Hi, Papa. So, eto. Merong Oakley. Sak, this is the one you want for Daddy.
A new one. Really good.
It is new one. What's the name?
How was that for?
You read. What's the... That's right. Is this the one you want for Daddy? Maghanap pa siya. Pero eto, kunin ko to kasi white.
Oh,
Now you're looking for the dog. Dog is gone. Puppy's gone. There, you wanna hold the dog? No, hinahanap niya na yung dog. You wanna get some shorts
the shorts.
for Daddy. Daddy's 34 now.
Oh, Mom, Quicksilver.
Huh?
Quicksilver.
That's not Quicksilver.
Quicksilver.
No, it's a Rip Curl.
Quicksilver.
Yeah, let me see. No, that's small. This is not gonna fit to Daddy. Daddy is 36 or 34.
Here, look.
No, not that. Like 30. You want Dad to have it?
Yeah.
Gusto niya raw to sa Daddy niya. Parang ang laki naman to. Extra large. Alam ko 36 or 34 si Jan.
one.
Wow, ang dami niyang pera.
Wait, why you put it back?
No, it's here.
And this one.
Yeah, just one, Baba. Is that a sack? I don't think so. Dad will like that one.
And there's another one, this one.
No.
T-shirt.
Hinahanapan niya yung
This one's too short.
That's right. That's not gonna fit to Daddy. I don't think so. Dad will wear that one.
Why?
Because I don't know.
This one.
I don't think so, Nak. No.
And this one.
No. Pinipilian niya yung Daddy niya.
I like this one.
No, Daddy don't like this.
This is weird.
I don't know, Nak.
Or there you jumper.
Ano?
Or there you jumper.
New jumper.
Yeah.
So, ayan, may nabili na tayong isa. Thank you. Isa ko kasi may kukunin lang ako para bukas. Yes?
Thanks for letting me buy this.
You're welcome. Ikaw ang,
Because
you pay for that, love. And you pay for Kuya as well. Holly, come on.
yeah, look at mine. This one.
Yeah.
This one's a dog. What's
Yeah, okay, come on.
this? Is
Because
this a possum?
I don't know what's that now. Come on, let's go kasi mag-swimming pa tayo. Yeah, okay, let's go. Not getting that one, Baba. Put it back. No, super duper. No. We're not gonna go grocery today because we don't have time.
No, bye.
Reminder, this assisted checkout Welcome to
Yeah, okay.
Your Flybuys card has been accepted. Thank you. Your cards. Please take your items.
Dito tayo sa bahay, sa labas ng bahay. Kasi dito pa kayo sa... Ayan si Holly. Nakatulog na si Holly.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
do you put your finger in this hole?
Yeah, nakatulog si Holly. May swimming lesson niya. Mag-change lang ako ng clothes kasi ang swimming lesson niya is 1 o'clock. Time check is 12:28. So, gisingin natin yung Holly pagkatapos ko mag-change. So, yan. Yan na naman ang next na gagawin ko mag-swimming. Dito na kami sa place kung saan mag-swimming si Holly. Ayan si Holly. Naka-bis na siya and nagme-melt. Ano, antok pa siya. So, yan. Mag-swimming muna kami. Here she is. It's alright. It's alright. Excited na siya. Don't jump yet. Wait. It's alright. Excited na siya. Come on here. You're gonna wear your clothes. Wait. Are you excited? Ayan, bahay na kami yung dalawa kumakain. Kinuha ko lang yung linabhang ko. Bago kasi umalis, linoad ko na to sa washing machine. So, isasampay ko siya. And ayan yung dalawa kumakain na. Duman ako sa may general store kasi dito. Corn chop. Ayan, favorite yan ni Holly. May corn siya sa loob. Yeah? Ha? You don't like it na? Kalahati muna, ayaw niya na. Nakalahati niya na, ayaw niya na. Tapos, bumili ako ng chicken. Ito siya. Kinakain na ni Sak. Ayan si Sak, oh. Dalawa-dalawa talaga, Sak. It's alright. Tapos, bumili ako ng etong burger na deluxe na chicken schnitzel. Ayan. Tapos, may bacon siya and cheese. And kanina, nung pagpunta ko sa Coast, nakalimutan ko, nagbilin sa akin si TJ na bilang ko raw siya ng bounty para sa daddy niya. Tapos, Nakalimutan ko. So, pumunta ako sa shop para bumili na lang doon. Ito yung ilalagay ko doon sa ano, di ba pumunta tayo sa ano doon sa kumuha tayo ng t-shirt ni Jan. Ito siya. Lumipat ako dito sa kwarto kasi yung dalawa maingay doon, kumakain sila. So, ito yung nabili ko doon sa Arena Sports Store. Kasi doon dapat ako sa golf shop, kaso wala. So, ayan. Nakita nyo na to yung Oakley na t-shirt. So, yan ang ibibigay natin kay Jan. Tapos, nakalimutan ko yung bili ni TJ na tawag nun, chocolate na Bounty. Kasi favorite to ni Jan. So, bumili na lang ako dun sa general store. Malapit dun sa swimming, kung saan nag-swimming si Holly. Ayan yung mga binili ko. Ilalagay natin. Ito yung favorite din to ni Jan. Yung snake na Allen's, yung brand. Tapos, ayan, dalawang Bounty. Tapos, dalawang M&M. Mga favorite chocolate to ni Jan. Tapos, ito. Tatlo pala yung binili ko nito. And dalawang sneakers. Ayan, eto mamaya ito para sa mga bata. Yung huba buba. Ewan. So ayan, so eto yung ito yung pangregalo natin kay Jan. Si Jan kasi, alam nyo, si Jan mahirap yan bilhan ng regalo kasi hindi siya mahilig sa mga yung alam mo yung mga accessories or mga relo. Wala yang ganyan. Happy na yan sa mga t-shirt, tsaka shorts, perfumes. Pero hindi ko binila muna siya ng perfume kasi meron pa siya, marami pa siya dyan. May tatlo siya dyan na bote pa na marami pa laman. So, hindi ko na muna siya binilhan kasi sabi niya, tinanong ko naman kasi siya, sabi niya, don't get me anything. Pero syempre, hindi naman pwede. So, ayan. Ito na yung pang regalo natin kay Jan. Tapos, pumunta kami dun sa Lima. Lima and Po. Ayan. So, nakabili tayo ng eto, nakita nyo na to yung backpack. Tapos, ayan, yung backpack ni Holly. Ang cute. O, diba? Tamang-tama lang yung size. Magkano nga to? 40. 39.95. Tapos, yung ano, mayroon siyang bunny na maliit na pink. Ayun, hawak-hawak niya na. So, eto, ibabalutin ko to. Tapos, ilalagay natin sa Christmas tree. Under the Christmas tree. Ayan. May bago na siyang ano laruan si Bunny. So, si Dalia nandito na sa plastic. Tapos, eto si Sak. Si Sak ang nagbayad nito. Eto yun. Yo-yo. $9.50 tong isa. So, isa kay Kuya TJ daw. So, siya nagbayad kay Kuya TJ. So, yun lang. So, yun na yung vlog. Dapat kasi mag-grocery pa ako. Kaso, kinapos na ako sa oras. So, kumuha lang akong ground beef or minced beef sa Coles kasi kailangan ko yung bukas para sa spaghetti ni Jan. So, yun na lang ang kinuha ko. Kasi every Monday talaga ako nag-grocery para exacto 1 week talaga. Kaso nga, may swimming lesson naman si Holly pag Monday. Kasi every term, paiba-iba yung schedule nila sa swimming lesson. Last term, si Holly yata Tuesday and then sila Sak Wednesday. Ngayon naman, si Holly Monday. Then, sila teacher sa Tuesday. So, paiba-iba yung swimming lesson schedule nila every term. So, yeah. So, magsasampay lang ako. Then, magluluto. Then, mag-i-edit ako. Late na ako sa pag-i-edit sa vlogmas natin. Dapat 5 o'clock ma-upload ko yung kaso hindi. Late na. Busy kasi ako pag Monday. Si Sak, ayan, binubusisi niya yung bag ni Holly. So, say see you now.
See ya.
Are you done eating? Huh? Hey, see you guys. Thank you. Say salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat sa panunod. So, yun na. See you tomorrow. So, yeah. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next
Flag.
Ano?
Next flag.
Flag or vlog?
Vlog.
Okay, see ya.